Welcome back to another tutorial video of GPOS. Today we are going to learn about shortcut buttons. Now, let's talk about what's on our today's agenda. I'm going to introduce what shortcut buttons are and its uses. Then I'm going to show you how to create shortcut buttons. There are three different ways we can achieve this. After I have added shortcut buttons, I will also show you how to delete them or remove them if they are no use for you. Let me switch back to my POS screen. As we can see, I have created few buttons. Let me show you how to use them. Before I do that, let me give you a quick introduction on why shortcut buttons are useful. They're useful for products which we sell most of in any given day. These buttons make the checkout process easy and fast for the person behind the register and our customer as well. Now, let's take a look at its uses. So, what do you guys see here? This is a shortcut button for a single product. I'm going to click on it and the product ringed up. This is for single product only. Now, let me show you what we can do with groupings and shortcut button. I have another button called tobacco. I'm going to click on it and we can see there's multiple products from which I can select through. I was able to achieve this through a function called group in our POS. So let me show you how we can do this. I'm going to select the product. That's one of the products. I can select multiple products. Now I have selected two products within a single shortcut button. I will show you how we can achieve this. I'm going to check this out. Now, first, let's talk about how we can create a shortcut button for a single product. We are going to go into the products page. I want to create a shortcut button for miscellaneous item. So I have created a product called Miss. I'm going to go into the product. Now, the reason for me going into the product is because I want to add an image to this product so I can identify which image this is or which product this is. We can also do this without the image, but I like to add images to my products. You can find the images which I'm about to show you into your POS system. You can also have your own images, which needs to be in the same computer which you are using our software into, and you will be able to utilize those images as well. So let me show you what I have. I'm going to click on this plus sign, and I'm going to look for miscellaneous, which is this. I want to use this button. I'm going to click on open. This will give me the image, and then I'm going to save this product. Once the product is saved, instead of creating the button from the product, I will show you how we can do it from the product screen. So this is the product for which I want to create the button for. I am going to go on the right hand side. At the bottom, it says create button. I'm going to click on it and it will ask me, hey, are you sure you want to create this button? Click on OK. Create. Once this process is completed, we will be able to see a button called MISC on the outside checkout screen. Click on OK. Close. Now we can see that the button was created. We just learned how to create a shortcut button for a single product. Let me show you how we can use this. Since it's miscellaneous, it's open price. I'm going to input a price of a product. Click on OK. And then you can easily check out the customer. This is for single product. Now, let's talk about tobacco shortcut button, how I was able to achieve this. In order to achieve this, we are gonna go into more, and there's a button called group. We are gonna go into group. As you can see, I have created multiple groups here. Don't worry if you don't see one, we can always add a new one and we can go on from there. For today's purpose, I'm gonna use beer. As you can see, I have 3 products in this group, and I want all of these 3 products on the outside screen. So once you have selected a group, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna click on create shortcut. As soon as you create on shortcut, it will ask you that, hey, are you sure you want to create a shortcut button for this group? Click on OK. Now, as you can see, there is an option to add an image to this button, but for today, I'm just gonna do this without the image. And as you can see, for the display menu, make sure you are selecting the correct menu. For me, it's product group. For majority of the time, it will be the default. I'm gonna go into product group and I'm gonna hit on create. This is the second way we can create a shortcut buttons using group. So let me show you what does that look like. We are gonna go outside again. As you can see, I was able to achieve this. I'm gonna click on the shortcut button and now I can ring up any item I want. So as you can see, I showed you 2 ways how we can do this. Now let's say you don't like this color or the layout. So how do you change that? Or you forgot to add an image. How do you do that? So let me take you guys to the back office. Within the back office, there is a page called Product Master. In Product Master, we will be able to see shortcut buttons. So this is the main page for shortcut buttons. As you can see, this is the default. In default, I have a lot of buttons. But for today, I'm going to show you what I have in product group. These are the buttons which we saw outside on the checkout screen. Now, let's say you want to change the color, the font, then we have an option called button property settings. You're going to click on it, and here it's giving me different options and it's telling me what this will do. So if you remember, beer had a blue color to it. If you want to change the color, you simply click on change background and you will have the option to change colors as well. This is your personal preference. If you like the way it is, just keep it the way it is. If you want to be more creative and choose different colors, you're more than welcome to do so. We only talked about 2 ways how we can create a button. Now let's talk about the third one. The third one is from within this window. I'm gonna check this. There's 2 options. The first one is show image on button, what we saw on the outside. We can also show the name of the product, which I'm creating the shortcut button for is. So this will help you be informed on what you are checking out and what you are giving to the customer. Now, let's click on new button. I have 3 different options from which I can select on. If I want to do some groups, I can also do groups from here. If I want to do a single product, then I'm going to click on product. I can either scan the barcode, enter the UPC, or select from the menu. I'm going to hit on select. And once you click on select, it will open up products page. Let's pick another product. Okay. As you can see, this product was created before. That's why I'm able to see the image. It was added in the products page. So my SKU number is 2 and the product is carrot. Now, all I simply have to do is select on save. and wait for the process to be completed. As soon as the process is completed, it will go away from here. Now we are going to close this. As you can see, I can see carrot here now. We are going to close this page. We are going to go all the way back to the checkout screen. I'm going to hit reload because we just made a change to the back office. And now, as you can see, I have carrots. If you also notice, the layout of the buttons has changed because I selected with product name. So now this is giving me the name of the product as well. If you don't like how this looks, then simply go back into the back office. Click on Product Master, shortcut buttons. Remove the check mark which says with product name. Close, exit, and reload. As we can see, now it looks much cleaner just with the image. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos where we will show you how to use our GokulPOS software. Thank you. Have a nice day.